Good day, everybody. This video I'm making is for those who want to learn Canva. Hence, I titled it Introduction to Canva. So, follow me as I go to take you on this class. If you have not followed us on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on TikTok, and of course, you have not followed us on YouTube, please do and let me take you um, on this road right now. Follow me. Let's go.
All right, good day everybody. Today I'll be teaching you on how to use Canva. So follow me. You go to Google. From Google, as you can see, from Google, you you type on the engine search engine Canva or www.canva.com. Then you allow it to boot. Then it will bring you to this page. Why is it showing it like this? Is because I have an account with them. But in your own case, it will not be like this. They will show you a part where they ask you to do subscribe to their premium, but you leave that page, you open a new account with them, and then you go for a new project. That is what we're about to do now. As you can see, we are these are samples of things you will see when you come there. As you can see, we have resume, we have photo college, we have where you can do your photo editing, where that is present. You have logo, you have a business chart, you have videos, you have YouTube thumbnails, you have presentation, you also have um, for your card, your ID card, your document, also for animated um, and special media. Also, you also have for your posters, as you can see, Facebook posters. You also have for your also for your chat and so on and so forth. There are so lots of things you can use Canva to do. You understand? There are so many. As you can see, like I said, there are so many. There are so many. That is, but we are going for our new project where I will be teaching you guys what we are here for. So we go to new project. As you can see, new project, um, where we will pick a new project. Then you go to template. You go to template after you have gone to new project. You go to template. So template will now take you to this place where your templates. These are templates, different templates, as you can see, which you can pick from to do your own as use as your own sample. You understand? So these are different samples of templates. So I picked one, as you can see. I pick one of the templates which we'll be using in this today's training. Please do like and share. We're supposed to use this sample, but this sample is under premium. As you can see, if you look under, there is a crown underneath, so I won't be using this one. I'm going to change this sample, so use another sample. So like I said, if you appreciate what we are doing, kindly like and share this video, follow us on our page, follow us on our different platform, follow me on my TikTok account, follow me on Facebook, follow me on WhatsApp, and also follow me on my YouTube channels. I would really appreciate it. At least I'm giving this lecture for you for free. So please, guys, show me love. You understand? By following me. That's all. That's all I need from you guys. I'm not charging you for this lecture. So we continue. I go to find a new sample. I go to find a new sample for our work for today. Like I said, that one was not it's for premium that you have to pay for that. So I go for a new one. So look for the one that is free. Like this one, I picked up this one from still the template that is free. You understand? So as you can see on this template is executive exclusive furniture. That is what they have here. But you look for a three dot. That's the three dot over there. Look for the three dot, and then you go to import. Look at import. You go to import your photo which you are to use, whether your own or the client's own, because it's not necessary means that it must be your own. Assuming you are working for a client, you understand the picture which you want to use in doing it. But in this case, I'm using my own picture to run this class for you guys, and I'm picking a picture that is professional, that I know that will make that sample to come out very well. You understand? So you will see it yourself right now when I add up the picture. So I'm still searching for the picture which I'm going to use for the sample which we are using tonight. So guys, be patient with me as I search for it. You understand? So so far, like I said, Canva is a very nice, platform, or a very nice app. Like I said, for marriages, for your card, your a business documents, maybe even your CV. You understand, different marketing and all that. Any kind of marketing for posters or flyers, all of them, it can serve. It can serve it. It can do it for you. That's one good thing about this platform. So we finally gotten the picture which we are going to use. That is what is loading now. As you can see, my picture is there, and I've picked it. So it will automatically, I select, once I click on it, I select, then it will automatically load. Then you drag it with your cursor to the that spot. As you can see, it's coming out really, really, really professional. You understand? So we now go to the text. I want to work on the text now. So remember, it was exclusive furniture. So I will have to delete the one of exclusive furniture. And then I put what I want it to be like, because I'm using digital marketing. That is what I'm using on this banner. You understand? This sample we are doing, it can serve as a banner, and it can serve as a flyer. I can use it as a flyer, I can use it as an handbill. You understand? All I just need to do is, as you can see, I zoomed. When I zoom like this, make it big, which means I can use it as a banner. And if I minimize it, I can also use it as, you know, flyers, posters, handbills, etc. So we continue to the next text. You understand? I have I put the theme of what I'm doing. You understand? So I say learn digital skills. As you can see, said new product. You understand? It not necessarily mean it must be new product. You are whatsoever you want to use. Maybe you can use featuring. You understand? But I decided to use product, new product. You understand? So you say learn digital skills, like, you understand, affiliate marketing, online, online affiliate marketing. You understand? So, and what have you? You understand? So, as you can see, the first one I said, like like I said, like affiliate marketing. Okay. So the second one is online trading. So that is the next one I'm putting there, online trading. So, like I said, it's not necessarily you must follow this. This is just a sample of what this app can design for you. You understand? So you know what you want to give your client. So you only follow this same procedure to get the job done. So that is, I'm only showing you how it's been done. You get? So after I am done putting the features, you understand, we now have to put my location. You understand where they can reach me. You understand where they can reach me. Where is this event taking place? You understand? So, like I wrote here, location. So I'm coming. So okay, it's typing now. As you can see, location. This part is location. So from there, we have to put the address of the place where the event is going to take place. You understand? So that is what it's going on here. As you can see, at number 17, Lagos, Apapa, Apapa, mm, okay, Apapa Way. You understand? So that's the one I'm using. So like I said, it's just a preamble, just to show you how it is. So we go to the next phase, which is contact us. I'm not changing this one because I'm not working on this. You understand? Ahem is just a train class. So that contact us is where you put your phone number. You understand? As you can see, we are done with our work, and I guess it looks good and it comes out pretty well. All you need to do now is to download. You can see you go to the right hand side again. You as you can see, it said download. So you export it and then you download it. Once you click on that download button, it will ask you the size which you want to use in downloading it, if it is a PDF format or any other format you want to use in downloading this sample. I guess as you can see, we are done with it. So I hope we enjoy the class. I hope we had a nice time on this. So please, like I said, like, share, and join me on my next video in teaching you. Thank you. God bless you.